Hello everybody, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Cerina Lee, a Master Public Health student at the University of Alberta. Let me ask you a question. Smoking, is it good or is it bad for you? If you've grown up in North America, you probably understand that smoking is bad for your health. Well, if that's the case, despite national efforts, why is it that tobacco smoking rates in the youth population are still above national standards? Well, this thing right behind me may just be the answer to why tobacco is re-emerging in the youth population. You see, I'm a secondary school teacher, and I noticed a common theme emerging in my junior high students about this cool new thing called a hookah, or scientifically known as a water pipe. And I thought to myself, wait a minute, is this thing really that harmless? And if it is, how are these kids accessing it? This started my public health research and story. After an internship with the Canadian Cancer Society, I found out in 2015 over 7,100 Alberta youth from grade 6 to 12 were smoking flavored water pipe. That's right, since the 1980s, the tobacco industry has been enticing and targeting youth with novel varieties of flavored tobacco, such as apple and mint flavored. What is worse is that currently water pipe use is completely unregulated in many provinces of Canada, including Alberta. What does this mean? This means that thousands of youth are able to freely go, enter, and smoke at any hookah establishment in the city. And I can tell you today that one session of water pipe smoking delivers up to 15 to 36 times nicotine content than a regular cigarette. So what did we do? We went directly to the health minister herself. Unfortunately, no implementation date for the hookah ban was released. Rather, we were told to gather more evidence. So, my public health research project was an integrated review examining how the regulation of water pipe use can benefit the youth population in Alberta. And as one of this year's top 30 under 30, I've been working super hard as an international youth advocate to push for Sustainable Development Goal number 3, ensuring healthy lives and well-being for all ages. So, what did my research find? There were 3 key pieces of evidence crucial to the hookah ban in Alberta. Number 1, cultural perception. My research showed that smoking hookah has nothing to do with traditional practices. It is solely recreational. Number 2, health implications. Hookah is typically perceived to be a healthier alternative to cigarette smoking, but this is not the reality. The reality is it delivers high levels of carcinogens and increased level in disease to increased level of bacterial diseases. And most alarmingly, it is re-normalizing the culture of smoking back into the youth population. That's yikes. And last but not least, number 3, policy implications. So currently unregulated water pipe establishments in Alberta are not only enticing youth to experiment with hookah, it is exposing you, all of you, the public, to harmful secondhand smoke. So I ask you, U of A, what the hookah? Join me now, and together we can protect our youth and fight against hookah smoking. Thank you very much.